Most make money with AI videos are fake. They sell you a dream, then they disappear. But in 2026, real people are making real money with AI. And it's not magic, it's simple. AI makes you faster, and you get paid when you turn that speed into a clear service. In this video, I'll show you 5 realistic ways to make money with AI, exactly what to sell, how much to charge, and a 7-day plan to get your first client. No hype, no 10,000 a day, just reality. Before we start, comment real. If you want the exact message template I use to get clients, here's why most AI money advice doesn't work. They say things like make a course, start dropshipping, build an app, but they skip the part that matters. Who pays you, and why would they trust you? Real money in 2026 is not made by AI hacks. It's made by doing something businesses already pay for. Faster, cheaper, cleaner. Here's a rule that changes everything. If your plan depends on going viral, it's not a plan. Your plan should work even if you have 0 followers. Here's the realistic formula. A business has a problem. You use AI to solve it faster. They pay you. That's it. Now let's do the 5 best ways. Method 1. AI content repurposing. This is the easiest to start. Businesses and creators already have content. They just don't have time to repurpose it. So you take one long video or one podcast and turn it into short content. You create shorts, captions, titles, descriptions, hashtags, and a simple posting plan. Who pays for this? Small creators, restaurants, clinics, realtors, gym owners, local businesses. Here's a simple offer. 12 shorts with captions every month. Real pricing is $200 to $600 per month per client. If you get 5 clients, that's $1,000 to $3,000 per month. And you don't need to be a content genius. You need consistency, decent hooks, and clean editing. Quick question. If you had to pick one niche, would you choose creators, restaurants, or realtors? Commented. Method 2. AI customer support setup. This one is boring, but it pays. You set up a clean FAQ, you create saved reply templates, you add a simple chatbot on the website, and you create rules. For example, if the question is about refunds, send this reply. If the question is about booking, send this reply. And if the customer is angry, escalate to a human. Who pays for this? E-commerce stores, service businesses, booking businesses. Here's a simple offer. Support upgrade in 3 days. Real pricing is $300 to $1,500 one time, and you can add monthly maintenance for $100 to $300 per month. Why do they pay? Because support is painful, it takes time, and it costs money. If you save them even 5 hours a week, you're worth it. Method 3. AI admin automation. This is the most stable income. Businesses repeat the same tasks every day. A customer fills out a form. The business replies, they schedule an appointment, they send reminders, they follow up, they log the info somewhere. You connect all of it. Form to spreadsheet, spreadsheet to email, email to calendar, calendar to follow-ups. Who pays for this? Salons, clinics, contractors, tutors, small agencies. Here's a simple offer. Booking and follow-up automation. Real pricing is $500 to $2,000 per setup, and you can add a monthly retainer to monitor and update. This is how you win in 2026. You become the person who removes busy work. Method 4. AI resume, LinkedIn, and interview prep. This sells fast because the value is obvious. You rewrite the resume, you fix the LinkedIn, you build strong interview answers, and you practice with mock questions. Who pays? Students, new grads, career switchers. Here's a simple offer. 48-hour career upgrade. Real pricing is $60 to $250 depending on the bundle. And you can sell this even with no audience. Student groups, Facebook groups, Discord, community pages. Method 5. AI research and summary briefs. In 2026, information is infinite, time is not. You get paid to turn chaos into clarity. You do competitor research, market trends, product comparisons, summaries of long documents, and you turn it into a 1-page brief. Who pays? Startups, managers, creators, students. Here's a simple offer. Weekly 1-page brief. Real pricing is $40 to $200 per week, depending on depth. People don't pay for AI. They pay because they don't want to waste 3 hours reading.
Now here's the biggest mistake beginners make. They try to do everything. AI art, chatbots, dropshipping, editing, automation, courses, apps, and they make $0 because they never become clear. So here's the rule. Pick one method for 30 days. Not forever, just 30 days. Focus is how you get your first win. Now here's a 7-day plan to get your first client. Day 1, pick one service. Day 2, make one example, a portfolio sample. Day 3, write a simple offer message. Day 4, contact 20 people. Day 5, do 3 free mini audits, 5 minutes each. Day 6, offer a small starter package. Day 7, deliver fast, get a testimonial, and upsell monthly. Your first goal isn't get rich, your first goal is proof. Here's a copy-paste message that gets replies. Hey, I noticed you post a lot, but you're not repurposing into shorts. If you want, I can make 3 short ideas plus captions for free from your latest content. If you like it, I can do 12 per month for a flat price. That's it. No begging, no long paragraphs. Value, small ask, clear next step. So let's summarize. AI doesn't print money. AI makes you faster. And when you turn speed into a clear service, you get paid. Now comment real and tell me which method you're choosing. 1. Content repurposing. 2. Support setup. 3. Admin automation. 4. Resume and interview. 5. Research briefs. I'll reply with a starter price and the exact offer for your choice. Subscribe if you want realistic AI strategies, not guru lies.